I ended up taking the train and I came here to Porto now, and I'm actually going to be here for a couple days. In terms of the plans for today, they have been derailed a little bit. I'm not going to let the rain stop us though, you know that. Why is there a whole bird here?
It is a tight squeeze in here.
Oh my god. Go ahead and try this. It's so fresh. It's like breaking apart in my hands. I can never get tired of these, I swear.
Oh my god.
What the hell? Good afternoon, everybody, and I mean well into the afternoon. As a matter of fact, actually, it's almost evening. We started the day today in Lisbon, but I ended up taking the train and I came here to Porto now, and I'm actually going to be here for a couple days. Similar to the first day in Lisbon, I have not done any kind of research about this place, so I don't know what we're going to get into. I don't know what there is to do. I don't even know what the city actually looks like, so it's going to be interesting. Today, what we're going to do is I'm probably just going to do a little walk around myself, just kind of see what's going on, and then kind of get a plan for tomorrow, and then hopefully tomorrow we get into some adventures. Now, unfortunately, the weather here, it is looking like it is supposed to rain the entire time I'm here, but hopefully, you know, we get some luck, some YouTube luck, and then kind of bypass that. But other than that, I'm excited to be here. Off rip, I'm really loving the city. I don't know why, it's giving me some really crazy vibes. I mean, I just walked down the street here and now I'm at this crazy view. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, okay, I'll do a little lap around. I probably won't see you for the rest of tonight, but I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, we'll see what we can get into. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Yesterday was actually quite the eventful evening. I ended up going down to the bridge, and there's actually a bunch of restaurants down there. So I ended up sitting at one, and I actually had some fish and beer. It was actually pretty good. Then I ended up going to the other side of the bridge, and I basically just kind of walked around, looked at some shops, and then I was feeling a little hungry, so I went and got a crepe. And at the crepe shop, I actually met this girl from London, and we ended up hanging out for like 2 hours just talking. She was just leaving tomorrow, so she ended up telling me some things to do around here. After that, I pretty much got a scooter and I rode around for like 2 hours. I ended up seeing a bunch of these random sites, and yeah, it was beautiful, just kind of literally just roaming around. Then I ended up parking the scooter and I saw this ramen shop, and it kind of reminded me of Japan, so I went in, but they were closed, unfortunately. Then I ended up actually walking to the square, and on my way home I basically stopped and got some chocolate. Then I got a little shawarma, and then yeah, that was pretty much the end of the night. I came back here and just showered and went to sleep. Now I do want to explore today, but it looks like the weather is gonna start to rain soon, unfortunately. So I don't know, I might just go out there anyway. Well, I probably will go out there anyway and just firm it. I do have an umbrella, so we'll kind of see how that goes. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see what we got planned for today. Again, I don't really have a plan, but I do have an idea. So I don't know, let's see what we got. Thank you so much. Alright, so the first stop of the day today, we went to the market, and honestly, there was a lot of really nice things there. Specifically, it looks like there was some really good oysters and wine, but I really didn't want to start my day with oysters and wine. So I ended up coming to this cafe here, got this little croissant with cream cheese and salmon. Gonna finish this up, and then after that, the weather is actually kind of nice, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start heading down to the water and just do some exploring. We might do the touristy attractions tomorrow if it is raining, but for now, like I said, I'm just gonna try and enjoy this weather. And then there is a church right behind me now. I don't know if I might go to that after. We'll see. For now, like I said, I'm just trying to get this food, and then we'll go from there. All right. Remember when I said that the weather was looking really nice? Yeah, the moment I said that, it started to rain. Now, this umbrella that I got the other day, this is one of the worst umbrellas I've ever seen in my life. I might have to actually get another umbrella. In terms of the plans for today, they have been derailed a little bit, so I'm not gonna let the rain stop us though, you know that. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna go back home, change, figure some things out, and who knows, maybe the rain lets up. I actually met these girls at the cafe that I was at. They're from England, and They said that maybe tomorrow they might go out, so we'll see. I wasn't planning on going out, but if they hit me up and they say let's go out, what am I gonna do? Say no? Anyways, let me figure some shit out. Alright, so we're here at Fábrica de Nata. Let's go ahead and try this now. I just did have one from the place that I usually get them from, Mantejeria, I believe it's called. Oh, come on now. But we're gonna go ahead and try this. This is so fresh, it's like breaking apart in my hand. We're gonna take the cinnamon. I can never get tired of these, I swear. I don't want to jinx anything, but the weather has let up again. If in the next clip it's raining, maybe I'll stop talking about the rain. I keep seeing advertisements for this one McDonald's here. Apparently I asked somebody too, and they told me apparently this is the best McDonald's in Europe. I'm like, what? How do you even measure that statistic? Anyways, I'm gonna go check it out now. It says it's like 5 minutes away from here, so let's go see what it looks like. Oh my god. Imagine explaining this to an American. Hold on, let's go inside, let's see what it looks like. Wait, why is there a whole bird here? What? What? What the hell? Oh my god, why is it so bougie? Since I'm here, I might as well take a leak, right? So, oh, look at this garbage can. It's automatic. Alright, just finished up there. I mean, yeah, it was cool, but like, best in Europe? That's kind of a bold claim. Hey, if you have a McDonald's that's better than this in your city, comment down below right now. Alright, what we're gonna end up doing now is I'm gonna actually go to the church in the tower here straight ahead. And they actually have a light show that starts at 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in there, explore around for about an hour. It's like 5 right now, so I should be able to kill an hour there. They have a tower as well, so we're gonna go to the top of that and get another view. And then after that, we're literally gonna go and try and catch the light show. But yeah, I'm gonna go over there now. I am also gonna try and finesse the student discount. Come on. All right, we made it in here. And shout out to my student card from 2019. Yeah, let's look around. It is a tight squeeze in here, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, look at this view though. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm almost there. We are 76 meters on top of a hill. Ooh, there's the whole city. Wait, let's see the view down. Oh my god. Check this out. Water's that way. We got Parliament over there, or City Hall, or whatever that is. The water continues over there. And this is the back of it, or I guess the front of it, where the entire city is. There's that bar I was at earlier too. And wow, insane. All right, we just ended up finishing up the light show in the church, and honestly, it was absolutely insane. Whoever's responsible for the whole lighting and audio design and even the storytelling behind that, shout out to you, because yeah, that was actually insane. Now, probably gonna go back home, chill out for a little bit, and then I'll probably see you guys at dinner. All right. Again, everybody, it is now dinner time. It's actually almost 10 o'clock at night, and I am here at Casa Guedes. I actually got a really nice spot here on the rooftop. Beautiful little view here. It is raining severely. However, I got myself a nice little meal here. I got the traditional Porto pork sandwich. I'm sorry to all my brothers celebrating Ramadan, and got a little fries, and of course got the little Aperol to go with it. I am a little bit tired from today. I actually, when I sat down back home, it hit me, you know, I laid down, I sat down, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so sleepy. But I decided to come out here and have a nice little meal and then finish off the night. Again, like I said, this rain kind of derailed the evening, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna go home, sleep after this, and then reset for tomorrow. But yeah, other than that, it was a nice little day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tagging along. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. I'm not sure how well you guys can hear me because I just ended up doing my first ever live stream here in Porto, Portugal. Today's been super rainy, so I haven't really been filming anything. I just kind of woke up, went to get some food, and then I started my live stream. It was absolutely insane. I actually ended up, my umbrella actually ended up flying off. I got it on video too. Let's go actually find where this umbrella is, but if you tune into the live stream, it was an absolute mess, so I hope you enjoyed it. Wait, what is this? Nature's toilet bowl? Anyways, hold on, let's try and find this umbrella because it literally just flew off here, and I warned it. I said, if you keep this up, I'm gonna put you in the trash. Hold on, let me see what this umbrella is. Hey, I know it's somewhere here. Oh! What the hell? Yo, come here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what's left of the umbrella. Oh my god. Hold up. I don't know how well you can hear me because I may have damaged my speakers in the live stream. If you were there, you'll know why. Anyways, this is long overdue actually. Get in there. Get your ass in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's in there now. This, honestly, I might keep this as a souvenir. The whole point of the live stream was for me to actually end up here. And trust me, it was very eventful. So eventually, I wasn't able to make it up there, but I mean, if you watch the live stream, you'll see why. This is really good. Come to Portugal. Come to Portugal right now. This weather is really good. Come to Portugal, right now. You gotta come to Portugal right now. Go to Portugal. Go to Portugal right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go there now, and then of course, like it looks like, well, I don't know. It's still kind of raining, but anyways, we're going there now, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when we get up there. What a crazy day. Guys, I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me because, like I said, I don't know if the live stream messed up my microphones, but I'm up here now. We made it, and I'm gonna probably pack it up and go home soon because I'm cold, I'm wet, and it is getting dark. So I'm probably just gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna walk or not, because if I walk here and then go over there, I'm pretty much home, or I might call a taxi. I really haven't decided yet, but I'll probably end up walking it. Other than that though, I will be probably getting dinner at some point tonight, so maybe I'll see you guys there. If not, I'll probably see you tomorrow. But yeah, I don't know. What an eventful day it's been. It's been a crazy one, but at least, you know, we made it up to this view. Oh, all right, everybody. Whew, super eventful day today, but I'm back home now and I'm just chilling here. I actually ended up going to the grocery store and I bought pizza. I'm actually currently making that right now. It is approximately 10 o'clock and those three girls that I met at the cafe the other day from London, they told me that they're going to like some sort of pub crawl tonight and they told me to come hang out with them. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not, but we'll see how I feel. Now, I ended up getting this green wine. It is actually from Porto here, and this guy at the store recommended this to me. So I've never had green wine before. I'm not a big drinker, let alone a wine drinker, so I have no idea, but I don't know. It should be good. And I'm gonna enjoy my pizza, and then we'll see how I'm feeling after that. I'm gonna hit a quick shower, and then yeah, I fly tomorrow, so hopefully it doesn't get too crazy tonight. But I don't know. I have no expectations. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll go from there, and then yeah, I don't know. I guess you'll see what's next.